As I sit here, enveloped in the suffocating silence of a love that has long since weathered away, I am consumed by the bitter taste of regret and longing. Each passing moment was like a dagger piercing through my heart, leaving behind nothing but the hollow ache of emptiness. The love that once coursed through my veins like a wildfire has been extinguished, leaving nothing but remains of what once was. It is a cruel irony to have tasted the sweet nectar of passion, only to be left stranded in the desolate wasteland of despair. I am haunted by ghosts of what could have been. The whispered promises that now ring hollow, the tender caresses that now feel like cruel taunts. It is a relentless onslaught of memories, and as I sift through my emotions, I'm confronted by the harsh reality that some wounds may never truly heal. They fester and rot, poisoning every thought, every breath with the stench of decay. There's no solace to be found in the depths of my sorrow, no redemption waiting at the end of this tortured path. For the love that is gone has left nothing in its wake but the bitter taste of regret and the cruel sting of betrayal. So I resign myself to this fate, to languish in the darkness of my despair. But then I tell myself, so what? With time, you will get used to it, and life just goes on.